Tammy Slaton, the ever-beloved and sometimes controversial star of TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, has done it again. In a brand new video that has set social media ablaze, Tammy delivered a jaw-dropping moment for her fans, showcasing a transformation that many could hardly believe. After years of struggles with her weight and body image, and following her recent skin removal surgery, Tammy appeared radiant, energized, and happier than ever. The clip, which captures her in a spontaneous and joyful dance session, has gone viral, earning millions of views, thousands of comments, and an outpouring of support from both fans and fellow reality stars. Tammy's journey has never been easy. For years, audiences have followed her ups and downs alongside her sister Amy Slaton, witnessing the intense challenges of morbid obesity, health scares, and the emotional toll of public scrutiny. Why? Fans have seen Tammy experience moments of deep vulnerability, from hospitalizations and weight struggles to complex family dynamics. Yet, despite all obstacles, she has consistently demonstrated resilience and a willingness to embrace change, even when it felt impossible. This latest video represents not just a physical transformation, but an emotional and psychological milestone, highlighting Tammy's ability to reclaim her joy and self-confidence in ways that resonate far beyond the screen. The dance video itself is deceptively simple but extraordinarily powerful. Set in what appears to be a bright, cheerful room in her home, Tammy moves with an energy that surprises many. Every step, twirl, and sway exudes liberation and pride. Gone are the days when she was constrained by the physical and emotional burdens of extreme weight. In their place is a woman embracing her body and her achievements. Fans have been quick to comment on her newfound mobility, the smoothness of her movements, and the sheer exuberance she radiates. Many have likened the video to a rebirth, a moment where Tammy finally steps fully into her own light. What makes this transformation even more remarkable is the context of her skin removal surgery. After significant weight loss over the years, Tammy's body had excess skin, a common but often deeply personal challenge for individuals who undergo dramatic weight changes. Such procedures are not just cosmetic, they can significantly improve physical comfort, reduce risks of infections or irritation, and enhance mobility. Tammy's willingness to share this part of her journey publicly demonstrates both courage and advocacy, as it sheds light on a procedure many shy away from discussing. Her openness has encouraged countless fans who face similar experiences to feel seen, understood, and inspired to take steps toward their own well-being. Social media reactions were immediate and overwhelming. Within hours of posting the video, platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok were flooded with clips, reactions, and fan edits celebrating Tammy's energy and transformation. Hashtags such as #TammyTransformation, #1000LBSisters, #DanceOfJoy, and #NewTammy began trending, reflecting the viral nature of her performance. Comments ranged from sheer amazement at her agility to heartfelt messages congratulating her on achieving a dream she had worked toward for years. Many longtime fans noted that they had never seen Tammy move with such confidence and ease, emphasizing the profound impact her surgery had on her daily life and emotional health. The story of Tammy's transformation cannot be told without acknowledging the role of family, particularly her sister Amy Slaton. Amy has often been Tammy's anchor, supporting her through surgeries, lifestyle changes, and personal struggles. Fans have speculated about the dynamics of their relationship during this period, noting that the sisters' bond seems stronger than ever. Amy's encouragement likely played a pivotal role in Tammy's journey, helping her navigate both the physical challenges of surgery recovery and the emotional turbulence that accompanies major life changes. Social media posts hint at shared moments of laughter, encouragement, and solidarity, showcasing a familial connection that is both inspiring and heartwarming. In addition to the physical and emotional milestones, the video also highlights Tammy's evolving personal style. Her wardrobe choices, playful expressions, and bold energy signal a newfound self-confidence. Fans have remarked on how Tammy's fashion sense now matches her vivacious personality, with outfits that allow freedom of movement while expressing her unique flair. This attention to personal presentation, combined with the sheer joy in her dance, sends a powerful message. Tammy is no longer defined solely by her past struggles, but by the vibrant, dynamic person she has become. Health professionals and wellness experts have also weighed in on the significance of Tammy's progress. Many point out that her ability to engage in spontaneous, high-energy movement after significant surgery is not only a testament to her physical recovery but also an encouraging sign for individuals facing similar journeys. The psychological benefits of movement, joy, and self-expression are immense, and Tammy's public embrace of these moments can inspire others to prioritize their mental and emotional health alongside physical transformations. Moreover, her candid sharing of the process, including the challenges and triumphs, demystifies medical procedures that are often stigmatized or misunderstood. The viral nature of the video has sparked conversations about reality television and the responsibility of audiences. Tammy's journey highlights the importance of celebrating real-life victories while acknowledging the complexities behind them. While viewers have long been captivated by dramatic plotlines and emotional moments on 1000 LB Sisters, this dance video serves as a reminder that transformation is deeply personal, often invisible behind the cameras, and profoundly meaningful. Fans have praised Tammy not just for her appearance, but for the authenticity, courage, and resilience she embodies, suggesting a shift in audience expectations toward valuing holistic wellness over mere spectacle. The emotional resonance of Tammy's dance cannot be overstated. Videos like this create a ripple effect, encouraging viewers to reflect on their own journeys, embrace their achievements, and celebrate small but significant milestones. In a society often fixated on perfection and instant results, Tammy's willingness to showcase her progress authentically provides a refreshing narrative. Her joy is infectious, reminding audiences that transformation is not solely measured in pounds lost or aesthetic changes but in the reclaiming of confidence, the ability to enjoy movement, and the courage to celebrate oneself unapologetically. Critics, of course, have weighed in as well, some questioning the focus on physical appearance or debating the broader implications of reality television's influence. Yet, the overwhelming response remains overwhelmingly positive. Fans have emphasized that Tammy's joy, energy, and authenticity transcend criticism, offering a powerful example of perseverance and self-acceptance. The video has also ignited discussions about medical accessibility, mental health support, and societal pressures around weight and appearance, demonstrating that a single moment of happiness can spark broader conversations about wellness and human dignity. Looking ahead, fans eagerly anticipate what comes next for Tammy Slaton. Her journey is far from over, but this joyful dance video marks a pivotal point in her life story. Whether she continues to share her experiences, explore new forms of self-expression, or advocate for health and wellness in the public eye, there is no doubt that her influence is profound. For many viewers, Tammy represents not only a reality star but a symbol of hope, resilience, and the transformative power of embracing oneself fully. In conclusion, Tammy Slaton's latest dance video is more than a viral clip, it is a celebration of perseverance, transformation, and authentic joy. From the challenges of morbid obesity to the courage of skin removal surgery, and now to the freedom and energy displayed in this extraordinary moment, Tammy's story inspires, uplifts, and resonates on multiple levels. Her ability to shock, delight, and move her audience, literally and figuratively, underscores the enduring impact of authenticity and resilience. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters and newcomers alike are witnessing a milestone that goes beyond entertainment, serving as a reminder that transformation is possible, joy is achievable, and self-love is worth celebrating. Tammy Slaton's journey, punctuated by this electrifying dance video, solidifies her place not only as a reality TV icon but as a beacon of hope and inspiration for countless individuals navigating their own life challenges. With every step she takes, she embodies the message that change is not just physical, it is emotional, psychological, and profoundly liberating. And as fans continue to watch, comment, and share, it becomes clear that Tammy's story will continue to influence, inspire, and shock audiences for years to come. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.